News overnight in the battle over the border. An appeals court blocked a Texas law that would allow the state to arrest and deport undocumented immigrants. The same appeals court hearing oral arguments today. ABC's M. Nguyen has the latest from Washington.
The battle over a Texas border law back in court this morning. The U.S. Federal Appeals Court overnight again blocking it from going into effect just hours after the Supreme Court cleared the way for the state to start enforcing it. Today, that same three-judge appeals court hearing oral arguments on the law called SB4, which would allow local Texas law enforcement, instead of just federal border patrol agents, to arrest people they suspect are in the U.S. illegally.
I think it's the right policy for the state of Texas. We have to have a secure border.
The Biden administration argues the Texas law is an infringement on the federal government's exclusive authority over immigration law, a power grounded in the Constitution and affirmed by the Supreme Court. The law would also allow Texas to deport migrants to Mexico regardless of federal law or nationality.
I think it would be fair to interpret it as a law never intended on incarcerating people and a law intended really to deter people.
But the Texas Department of Public Safety says it believes the structure of the law is only to arrest people seen with evidence of crossing into the U.S. by means other than a port of entry. Critics claim it'll promote racial profiling.
What we don't want is persons of color to be targeted for no other reason than the color of their skin.
The Supreme Court had rejected the administration's request to intervene. Conservative justices saying the case could come back to them after the appeals court makes a decision.
Mexico has condemned the Texas law, with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs vowing not to accept any deportations made by Texas under any circumstances. M. Nguyen, ABC News, Washington.